Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2021 Kubota MX6000 cab tractor. This is a very nice tractor. 189 hours, I believe, is what's on this tractor. I'll show you here in a second. MX6000, so it's a 60 horse tractor. LA 1065 quick attach front loader. This tractor has some very nice features and options on it. Skid steer quick attach. It has already power beyond to the front, so it has front auxiliary hydraulics operated off your joystick control. It has 2 sets of rear remotes, rear windshield wiper, cab heat air, AM FM radio, rear work lights, front top mounted work lights, rear view mirrors, 4 ways. Very nice, well equipped tractor. It does have on it here 2 sets of cast steel wheel weights inserted into the rims and on the front. He actually has the fronts loaded, and it does have a set of wheel spacers in the front. I'm going to let on the tractor. R4 tires. We just did a complete and full service on this tractor. All filters and oils are changed. Tractor was bought new 7/28 of 2021 and will have factory powertrain warranty until 7/27 of 27. Say that 3 times fast. Start you here underneath the engine compartment. We're going to walk you completely around this tractor. Going to have your fold out grill guard on this tractor right here. Matt, if I can reach up. We're going to open up the hood. This is going to be powered by a 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Starts and runs great. There is no abnormal noise, smoke, blow by, anything of that nature. Get them a complete walk around in there of the engine. Again, we did a full service. All filters and oils are changed and ready to go. Again, this is an MX6000 tractor. You will see here on the hood. Hood is very nice, clean and straight. Tractor was extremely well taken care of. It was very clean. 72-inch front loader bucket. You can see the paint still on the edge. Skid steer quick attach. Right here in the front, auxiliary hydraulics, power beyond, operated right off of your remotes, or off of your joystick. Does not operate off your rear remotes. It is its own separate circuit. R4 tires up front. Titan 12/16/5 HD 2000s in the front. In the rear, it's 17/5 L24s. Again, wheel weights, cast steel wheel weights in it. You do have here in the back Category 2 3-point hitch with the Easy Links drawbar, 540 PTO. Category 2 top link with it here, fully adjustable. 2 sets of rear remotes. Again, it has the windshield wiper package on it, rear work lights, rear 4 ways, top roof work lights. I will go ahead and open the door for Matt, and we'll open this side cab door and go in and show you all about this tractor. So, the MX series tractor, I really like this tractor. If you would get into like an L6060, there's a couple things. Little different seat. They have a door latch over there. So there's a couple things on this that isn't on the 6060 versions. These corner windows don't open, but the cab itself is just like the Grand L cab, other than those corner windows not opening. Your rear window opens, okay? You have your rear wiper, fold-up suspension style seat, 3-range hydrostat, low, medium, and high with cruise control, 4-wheel drive, diff lock. Your PTO's up here. Your front and rear work lights are up here. We're going to show you 190 hours, so I stand corrected. We'll start the tractor and show you. You have absolutely no warning lights, no anything. Horn, you have 4 ways headlights, tilt wheel, locking parkable brake or park brakes, steering brake there. You have your boomerang style pedal. Up here you're going to have your joystick with your front auxiliary hydraulics. You do have an AM FM radio. I have to shut that off for the video so that there's your air conditioning and cabin surf. You have your front and rear windshield wipers. There are all of your vents. Dome light. Again, extremely nice tractor. Tractor that comes with powertrain warranty, and that's something that we try to. I'd like to buy stuff like this. It's a lot easier for us to sell, but it gives us a nice product to offer. winter is coming. Next week is to get down into the 20s and 30s at night. Plowing snow, doing winter work with a tractor like this is going to be nice because you have a factory cab. This isn't some type of add-on deal, so that's really, really nice. And plus, you're a 60-horse tractor. You could do a lot of work with this tractor. So there's a lot of options on this tractor compared to a standard MX tractor. So I'm going to go ahead and fire this up. We're going to run it around and show you everything works. So this is nice because this door latches inside like that, then has a safety latch. Go ahead and turn the air on today. Today we've had an absolutely beautiful day for the 26th of October. It's actually about 80 degrees. Tomorrow we're to have 82. Enjoying this nice weather because it's going to head the other way. So when it does, it will be, you'll see there, full drive in, full drive out. Again, tilt wheel. Right there, we were in low range, forward reverse, and then go to medium range. I actually used this tractor to hook up some power rigs that I have here for sale. I'm really impressed with the power of this tractor, the stability of it, just the all-around way it handles. Very, very comfortable. Controls are very easy to navigate. Stuff is close, you can reach it. I should call it ergonomics of the tractor is nice. I like the way you set in it. Very, very good visibility. Like the power of this tractor is not lacking any of the power. Very, very well power rated ratio of this tractor. Power ratio. Extremely responsive. There again, all you guys that follow us, you see and really enjoy to sell a lot of the Kubota brand products. This tractor is floating. I am a very big fan. Everybody to their own. I enjoy to sell stuff that I enjoy to work on and run. Kubota fits that bill. One thing I enjoy about the Kubota is I can get parts, I can get service. Parts are affordable. I'm going to kick the PTO in. You can see that. PTO out. Again, you've got these two rear remotes, you've got two handles here for that. Kubota is very affordable to work on, in my opinion. Everybody thinks out there today that, oh, this is too expensive, that's too expensive. Hey, there are certain tractors out there that you look at, why is that's just ridiculous. And the Kubota, in my opinion, is not that way. I think the Kubota is an extremely good value of a tractor, and it's also an extremely good product. The nice thing with the tractor is the size. This tractor is going to do some work. Hey, and they make them B2650, LX 2610s, even the 01 series where they put a cab on them. I'm not saying that they're a bad tractor. They're a good tractor, and they fit, they fit a need out there in the market. But want to get into some bigger work, especially if you have more acreage. You want a tractor to plow snow you can brush hog with. If you want to plant some food plots and you want that extra oomph and power, here's something to take a look at. I mean, this is just a nice all-around size tractor, but it's not to the point where it's an actual full M series like an M6060 or an M7060. But it packs a lot of punch in a compact frame. I think that's what they were after in this MX series tractor. So that's some pointers that I can give you there. And again, rear view mirror kit. You have inside. You have two side rear views. You've got cab heat, air, very good air. I mean, just like you would expect from Kubota. Kubota does. I will give them massive credit when it comes to their air heat inducting system. Kubota RTVs, your skid loaders, they, you know, Bobcat, we do work on a pile of air conditioning systems in the Bobcat, and it almost seems like it is, I don't know, poor placement of where they run lines and different things like that. The Kubota themselves, I think I've put one compressor on a Kubota over the years. Very good air conditioning system, a very good sealed up cab, and that is one thing there I will give them massive credit in their tractors. If you are looking for a nice size tractor, again, this thing packs a great punch of horsepower. It's a good weight ratio tractor. LA 1065 quick attach loader, 72-inch bucket. The stickers are still on the bucket from shipping. Shipping labels are on it. Very nice tractor with a lot of options. You've got the front rear work lights. You have the rear windshield wiper option. You have cast steel weights on the wheels. 2 sets of rear remotes, a set of front auxiliary hydraulics. It's already plumbed, it's already done. Wheel spacers, R4 tire package, just a very, very nice tractor that has powertrain warranty until 7/27 of 2027. So if you have any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. If you have any questions at all, let us know. We'll be glad to help in any way that we need to. If you need a shipping quote, just let us know. If you want to come by and see yourself in person, come on by. We'll gladly show it to you. Again, I'm Nick Miller, 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.